यदि आपको भी लगता है कि आपकी मैनिफेस्टेशन काम नहीं कर रही है, then this video is for you. First, you need to understand which formula you are operating. Basically, you are operating on have, do, and be. If you are manifesting and you are thinking that this is not working, then you must be feeling that once I will have this, then I will act like this, then only I will believe. But in law of attraction, that works in reverse. Like be, do, and have. If you are manifesting something and if you are believing first and acting like that you already have it, definitely you will attract the result that you want. Let's take an example. Like suppose that if you want to attract a job, if you are acting like you do not have the job and you are not feeling and thinking like that you have the job, then your manifestation will not work. So first you have to believe that you already have the job. Then you will act like you have the job. You should get prepared for the office, take your lunch and all these things, okay? You should act like that you already have the job. And definitely, if you will follow these things, you will attract the job that you want in your life. If you want to practice with me, then join my 30 days program that will help you to attract job that you want.